I want to give you some updates on this. By the way, guys, back to my channel one more time. We have seen how most of the mainstream media, they have reported on this. For example, BBC talked about the case of Prince Harry in UK court. They published a report saying, quote unquote, Prince Harry is singled out for inferior treatment and code over security arrangements, his lawyer says. Then we have also this report coming from The Guardian 4 days ago. Basically, it says that Prince Harry is exhausted by legal battle over UK police protection. So they are painting him as the victim, even though it is costing £500,000 to British taxpayers. But some of the news outlets, this is how they have reported. Then another one coming from CNN, Prince Harry arrives at court to fight downgraded UK police protection ruling, as if like he's on a mission and he's being oppressed or he's being denied his basic rights. This is how some people, they get the vibe from these news reports. Then Reuters reported Prince Harry's lawyers tells London court UK security stands unjustified. So the lawyers are accusing the London court UK security stands unjustified. Then they also have accused the lawyer of Prince Harry of being unfair and being Harry being singled out for the inferior treatment. So all of this victim narrative you can see on the mainstream media and in some other places. Now, what is really happening? So you see that is like almost like one-sided story, right? You see Harry the victim, security has been taken away and this happened, that happened. But in all reality, I just want to actually share with you some other details, and this one is coming from, as you can see, is coming from another newspaper. I believe this is the independent.co.uk. They wrote, Harry, quote, Harry is challenging the dismissal of his High Court claim against the Home Office over the decision of the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and Public Figures, RAVEC, that he should receive a different degree of protection when in the UK. So he is, what he is doing is challenging the High Court, and because of the dismissal of the High Court for his case. Now, we have heard all of this, but do you know what really is happening behind closed doors? Okay, so this is again a new report, and I'm going to be quoting them, and I'll actually share this video with you, another video. But this is what the latest news is about. The court's decision which confirmed, okay, are you ready? Okay, so the court decision which has confirmed that Prince Harry cannot receive taxpayer funded police protection when in the UK was based on what the judge described as clear procedural justification and risk assessments, not influenced by personal status. But what truly caught public attention was the revelation that Harry's legal team, so the same legal team that is accusing the court, that is saying it is unfair and that Harry was singled out, according to this new report, this same legal team had previously withheld or misrepresented key details and action some experts now believe were encouraged or at the very least supported by Meghan Markle herself. According to judicial sources, a series of private memos submitted by the Sussex legal team included emotionally driven language and speculative fears. In other words, what I understand from this is that Meghan and Harry, both of them, they were trying to gaslight public opinion. They were trying to gaslight even the court. They are very, very manipulative, and by using those lawyers, defense lawyers, whatever, they were trying to make a case not just based on logic, and there is absolutely no logic because they are the one who brought it on themselves by quitting the royal family, and they should not be getting the VIP treatment when it comes to security. But they are also appealing to the people using emotional undertone. So, for example, Meghan is writing the script for Harry, and she is telling him this is how you should come across to the public so that you gain public support, public sympathy, and this definitely is going to help you. So, according to Meghan Markle, she is teaching Harry how to appeal to people's emotion. Obviously, it's not helping. It's not working out. Now, because of all of this, the court is now absolutely going to be revealing all single details about what the lawyers said or did when they were inside of the court fighting for Harry's cause. So this is going to be a huge blow to Harry's credibility one more time, if obviously he lost it all. But then you also have this report now where his wife has also lost credibility, and now she is so desperate. She is such a shameless person. She is now using somebody else's children to march to gain or make some business for commercial gains. Take a listen at this one.
Meghan Markle has made the unlikely decision to promote a series of clothing brands associated with her arch-rival Kate Middleton on her new internet shopping page. Given that Meghan's kids have only rarely photographed the general public, have had little idea of the prevailing Sussex child aesthetic until now. And intriguingly, Meghan's Easter edit, which she uploaded to her Shop My page Monday, notably features classics from brands generally associated with Kate Middleton's kids George, Charlotte and Louis. There is, for example, a floral rabbit dress from UK brand Trotters, which has long been a go-to for the Walesers. Princess Charlotte wore a similar dress in a different colour from the brand, and photographs sent out by Kate to mark her 4th birthday, and the dress subsequently sold out in record time. Another famously royal-adjacent British band, Broden, is also featured in Meghan's new edit. A cute baby dress with a blue, pink and yellow shell motif is among her choices. Broden has made no secret of its attachment to the Windsors, releasing a very British baby collection in 2018 to mark the birth of Prince Louis. Charlotte wore a Broden sweater in her 8th birthday photos, which were taken by Kate. Meghan's collections also references another iconic young royal moment with a pair of checked pyjamas in pale blue from American band Petite Bloom. Who could forget the swagger of Prince George wearing the same PJs for an after-his-bedtime meeting with President Obama at Kensington Palace in 2016.
Okay, so again, you can see that they are doing whatever it takes for them to get the protection, police protection. They will lie. They will do whatever it takes for them to make a sale, because obviously their product, Meghan's product, is not getting any sale. She's not making, if any, literally no money, really, no money. And when we hear that this scam, Harry going to UK, trying to win some sympathy, trying to win a ruling in his favor, we all know that there are a lot of things going on behind the scenes. So once the court, I think the verdict was out there already, but when the court will be looking in more into his request for special treatment, VIP treatment with the IPP status, the more they'll be able to dig out those dirt from not just Prince Harry, but also from Meghan Markle. Subscribe for my other videos. See you later.